such a beautiful day out.
So we decided to go hiking at Red Rock.
We made it to the top!
What did you do?
We made it to the top.
Is this better?
Now we just have to hike all the way down, but don't you think
no.
going down is always easier?
It's way easier.
Yeah, so I wish there was like a giant slide, like how you were saying. This is our first tomato harvest from our tomato plant. So today we're going to be drying out some herbs. Right now he's just deadheading, but this is the lemon thyme. So basically you just want to get all the leaves off the stem. So we have the lemon verbena and the lemon thyme. We're just going to let these dry out for a few weeks and then we can use them. These are all the other herbs I want to dry. I have thyme, cilantro, parsley, basil, and a bunch of sage.
Who's that? Who's barking? Go get him. Go get him.
So these are the ducks that hang around the neighborhood and they've been here for about 10 years. So cute, they're always together. I actually saw the green one get hit by a car the other day, but looks like he recovered very well. He just lost a few feathers, but staying strong. They're so sweet. These little neighborhood ducks.
Alright, I'm gonna let him rest.
Yeah.
I want him to stay, I don't want him to freak out.
Yeah. Bye guys.